Have you found a house in the perfect neighborhood that is priced right, but it needs a new roof, a modern kitchen, or significant repairs that you simply don't have the cash to cover? Welcome back to Shop Your Mortgage and VA Mortgage Specialist. Most veterans walk away from these fixer-uppers because they have been told the VA appraisal is too strict to allow for peeling paint or broken windows. However, there is a specialized program called the VA Renovation Loan that allows you to buy that ugly house and finance the cost of the repairs directly into your mortgage, all with a standard zero down payment. Instead of basing your loan on what the house is worth today, we base it on the after-improved value, giving you the borrowing power to hire contractors and turn a dump into your dream home before you even move in. This is the perfect solution for a tight market where move-in ready homes are too expensive. We are one of the few lenders who specialize in these complex renovation loans. Visit vamortgagespecialist.com to see how much you can borrow for renovations and subscribe to unlock every tool in the VA toolbox.